Hello biologists, welcome to today's daily A-Level Biology revision task. In today's task, you're asked to produce a flashcard on communication between cells and cell signalling between different cells. Cells typically communicate using chemical signals. These chemical signals, which are proteins or molecules produced by a sending cell, are often secreted from the cell and released into the extracellular space. They can float like messages in a bottle to neighbouring cells and help communicate different things from cell to cell. Not all cells can hear a particular chemical message. In order to detect a signal, a neighbour cell must have the right receptor for that signal. When a signalling molecule binds to its receptor, it alters the shape and the activity of the receptor, triggering a change inside of a cell. Signalling molecules are often called ligands, a general term used for molecules that bind to specific other molecules such as receptors. The message carried by a ligand is often relayed through a chain of chemical messages inside of the cell. Ultimately, it leads into a change in the cell, such as an alteration in the activity of a gene or even the induction of a whole process such as cell division. Cell-to-cell signaling involves the transmission of a signal from a sending cell to a receiving cell. However, not all sending and receiving cells are next door to each other. There are four basic categories of chemical signaling found in multicellular organisms: paracrine signaling, autocrine signaling, endocrine signaling, and signaling by direct contact. The main difference between the different categories of signaling is the distance that the signal travels. Often cells that are near each other communicate through the release of chemical messages, as these can diffuse through the space between the cells easily. This type of signaling, in which cells communicate over a relatively short distance, is known as paracrine signaling. Paracrine signaling allows cells locally to coordinate activities with their neighbours. Although they're used in many different tissues and contexts, paracrine signals are especially important during development when they allow one group of cells to tell the neighbouring group of cells what cellular identity to take on. Hopefully, this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.